What is up, guys? It's Taco and Nacho back with our first video, actually. Today we're getting our dogs from a dog breeder in New York. We have our setup ready here. So without further ado, let's get driving to see our adorable doggies.
Guys, welcome to Nacho and Taco's official YouTube channel, and today is a very special day because, drum roll please, we're welcoming our puppy Nacho to our family. We are so excited. We're currently on our drive to Kalahari, New York, the state, with my sister.
Hi.
And we're going to have so much fun with Nacho.
We just crossed from New York over from Massachusetts. We're super excited, and we're gonna see the puppy soon.